Lite Cat 2 represents more than a vessel. It stands as a symbol of progress, of connectivity, steadfast commitment to our beloved community.
From your humble beginnings in 1990, you have pioneered the establishment of multiple routes throughout the Vismin region and expanded your services to include the Light Box Express Courier Service. Your growth is truly impressive.
It will not only transport people and goods, but also hopes, dreams, and aspirations. With wider and more comfortable accommodations, cutting-edge safety features, increased capacity. This ship is designed with you, our valued passengers, in mind.
The extraordinary service you provide our people from Region 7, Region 8, 9, 10, and 13, all the way down to Zamboanga, to Agusan, and to CDO.
As said by our good Senator Amy Marcos, connectivity is very important for the progress of the different islands of the Philippines.
But in our updated Maritime Industry Development Plan, or MIDP, the very first growth program is the modernization and expansion of domestic shipping industry, including the tourist destination areas as well as coastal and inland waterway transport systems.
June, Lim, and your family, you have done much on another milestone for the city of Cebu.
The Lite Cat 2 will revolutionize the journey between Cebu City and Tubigon, Bohol.
We can finally bring progress and development to the far corners of our archipelago.
Together, let us make waves towards a new era of sea travel. Together, let us bridge islands and connect lives.
May the Lite Cat 2 always sail with clear skies, fair winds, and following seas.
Let us build a stronger, more resilient, and truly modern Philippine nautical highway together. Mga kababayan, patuloy tayo maging matatag para sa isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.